We are alive. You are partially alive. The other part is not there. The part where the church goes and be the mission. We are built up as living stones, and every stone is to emit light. Every Christian is compared to a precious stone that catches the glory of God and then reflects it. I wonder sometimes when you walk in town in the mall or you drive and you look around you, did you ever think, I wonder what these people think of me? Can they see I'm a Christian? Just something for the thought. Brothers and sisters, here comes a dangerous extract. It says the church is an army. Testimonies volume 5. At the end, there's a very strong statement that she makes. I promise you, it's not me.